Protect your family from dust. Dear friends, dust causes several diseases. You must follow some precautions to avoid dust diseases. If you act upon the points which I am going to explain here during the construction of the house, you need not spend any extra money and time to avoid dust. Fix the window frames with outer surface of the wall to collect the dust at the sill of the window. Dust can be avoided by fixing the window frames at the inner surface of the wall. Fix panel door shutters with door frame to gather the dust on the top of the projected beading of the door shutter. Fix flush door shutters with the door frames, as there is not any type of projection on the flush door shutters, to avoid collection of dust. Raise the floor level of the cupboard up to the level of the cupboard frame to avoid the dust gathered inside the cupboard. Now it is very easy to clean the floor of the cupboard. Construct skirting or dado with the wall to obtain cleaner surface and safeguard of the wall from dampness for architectural view. Avoid the dust gathered on the projected portion of the skirting by making the slope on the top of the skirting as the thickness of skirting is more than the thickness of plaster on the wall. Provide face work on the walls of the veranda for architectural view in some constructions. Plaster the walls to avoid the dust gathered on the joints of the walls. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.